Hello everyone. Good day. God bless you. Okay. In this class, okay, I want us to start with our working tools. The truth is you cannot actually work perfectly well without having the tools to work with. All right. So I decided for us to start with having the our working tool by getting our pro apps. All right, you need to get apps that will help you to carry out this work effectively. If you want to do videos and every other thing you want to do, you must make sure you have some apps to work with. Okay, so we're going to start with where can we get our apps to work with, especially pro apps, because this period it's difficult for people to actually pay for apps. Okay, so many persons do not have money to pay for apps, so we're going to talk about a few areas where we can actually get uh, pro apps, okay, so that we'll not spend too much for us to get what we want to get. Okay, all right, so we're going to start by looking at free pro apps finder. All right, that is the title for this video, free pro apps finder. All right, so there are actually about 4 areas I want us to look at. Number one is you got to look at use third party app stores. Okay, you can see that, right? Use third-party app stores. All right, you can have some of them as Aptoid, AC Market, and Black Mat Alpha. Okay, Black Mat Alpha. So when you search for these stuffs, okay, you go to see them. All right, when you search for these stuff, you go to see them. And then number two area that you need to look at is the search for crack APKs. Please, this is the most area. This is the major area you need to look at. Okay, search for cracked APKs. So in this video, I'm going to actually introduce you to it. Okay, maybe in the next video I'll take you to the to practical class where you can see how we can get them. All right, and then this other one, participate in app giveaways. Okay, very important. You go to participate in app giveaways or giveaways, right? Work on that. And then here, wait for sales. Okay, you need to wait for sale because many developers offer their apps for free during sales. Okay, you can find out about sales by following your favorite developers on so. Okay, of course you need to do that. And then I will need you to know that, okay, these apps do not work with all the phones. Okay, maybe your phone may be the grade may be low or sometimes may be high, so it may not be able to work with all of them. Work with caution for you to get this done. All right, you just come to your browser and type cracked apps. So you're going to see so many options going to be here. All right, for you, so many options. Okay, just type cracked apps. Now cracked apps, okay, are apps that are free. Okay, you don't pay for them. So everything you need for you to carry out your work, okay, they are found here. If you take time patiently, okay, you're going to find all of them here. Every one of them you need, they are here. Okay, so we're going to take time to go through all of them step by step. All right, and then let's say, for instance, we'll go through this one. Take a look at this. AC Market, cracked apps. Okay, games modes for Android. Just click on this one. Click on this and let's see. All of them here can give you everything you need. Okay, but take a look at this one. So here, practically what you do is you can see it now. It's a world most popular Android mode store, the ultimate choice for modified, tweaked, hacked, cracked apps and games for your Android devices. Download now. Okay, now you can decide to download the app now. Okay, AC Market. Okay, and then you can work with that. All right, but I'm not going to download it, so you can decide to do that. And then please, like I said, it may not work with all your phones. Okay, some phones may be the grade may be higher, sometimes some of them will be lower. Okay, then let's look at this one: 25 best cracked app sites, cracked apps for Android in 2023. All right, so look at that again. Just go through all of them. You're going to have the opportunity to download as many apps as possible. All right, as many apps as possible. So you can see this one says you want the best cracked APK sites, but you don't have the money to buy them. In this article, I will tell you about the best broken app website where you can download unauthorized. Now, broken here doesn't mean that they are broken. Okay. All right. Look at this one. Avoiduk.net. Okay. So let's take a look at this. Open this one. Click on it. Open it. That is one. Avoiduk.net. Okay. So you can go through this. You're going to see a lot of apps. Okay, down here you're going to be seeing a lot of them. All right, as apps for you to work with. Okay, all right. So if you go through this here, I have 25 best cracked app sites, cracked apps for Android in 2023. This latest. You can see June 6, 2023. This is when this one come up. Okay, Mustafa AI Mahmoud, all right, was able to write up with this. So these are the 25 apps sites that you can actually get a lot of free pro apps. You are not paying for one, you are not paying ₦1 for any of these stuffs, all right? So number one, like I mentioned in the first video, was avoid.uk.net. Okay, this is number one. Then number two here is Revel DL. Revel DL is another beautiful place. And then, so the truth is, if you cannot find a particular app in a particular area, of course you can find it in another one. Okay, APKPL. You can go to this other one called Rexdeal. Okay, Rexdeal, which we'll mention a bit there. Then we have apkforfree.net. Okay, these are websites where you can get free apps, free pro apps. Okay, then this other one, acadult.com, acadult, okay, actdlt.com. All right, then you can go down here, you're going to see mode APK down. So many of them, okay. So you're going to see AC market. Okay, this one, AC market. And then you're going to also see APKMB. Okay, APKMB. Happy mode. Now this is a major one. This one, major one. Okay, there I will need you just to focus on this one. You can get anything you want to get, any app you want to get from this place. Okay, then you're going to get others like Andro Palace. All right, you're going to get others like Aptoid is a bit confusing, so these guys are not really doing well. But Happy Mode and the other ones, okay, wonderful. Then this other one, APK Whale. Okay, so take your time to go through all of them. Blackmat.co. Okay, blackmat.co, and then you're gonna go into Alfree APK. All right, then you're gonna also go into APK Dawn. And then we have others like mobilism. Okay, just go through all of them one by one. Any app you are looking for, free app you are looking for, you're going to get it. APK Modi. Like I mentioned, please take time to make sure that, okay, you have what do you call them? Is it antivirus here? Make sure you have antivirus in your installed first of all. So what I need to do first of all is to go install antivirus, so that as I'm downloading the app, okay, your antivirus will help you to go through it. Okay, to go through it before, if it is for them to confirm that it's the app you have downloaded is safe, then you go ahead. All right, so, but all the same, like I said, I've not seen anything that harm anybody's phone, my own phone anyway, using any of these stuffs. Right, so take your time to go through that. Okay, let's talk about how we can get the app from Happy Mode. Okay, so just type happymode.com on your browser, then you're going to see this. But since I've already entered this site, okay, I'm just going to click on this, right, Happy Mode. Okay, just look for Happy Mode. Just go there, type happymode.com. all right, so you can be able to get stuff right now. What you do is this: when you come here, you use your search button or your search icon here, the mirror icon, to look for what you are looking for. Okay, so you just click on it, and let's say we type, we're looking for, let's say a app. Maybe you need an app on cartoon. All right, just type cartoon. Okay, and then click on the search button. All right, when you do that, these ones will pop up. Okay, you can see them. These are apps for cartoon, free apps. I mean, they are pro versions. Okay, you're not paying for anything. Okay, for cartoon. All right, so you can see a lot of them. Now please, I want to advise that, okay, before you download anyone, if in case you have the free version from Google Play Store before now, what you do is, for instance, let's say you want to download this one, right? What you do is to uninstall that other free one first before you install this one into the system, right? So let's say we want to download this particular one, TuneMin Photo Cartoon. All right, just click on this. When you click on it, okay, you're going to see this stuff here. Now what I need to do, if you don't know the use of the particular app, just come down here and read this one. Just click here, it will take you to the Play Store, and then use the Play Store, the about section of it, to study what the app is meant for. All right, so just go through it, open it, and then go through it. You just click on this arrow here, go through it, and get to know what the app is all about. Okay, so when you have done that, you come back here, you come back to the site. Okay, then you come down here, click this one. Please don't use this one, don't use the fast download, use the download APK here. All right, this is the one you're going to use. All right, so just click on this one. So when you click on it, it's going to pop up like this. All right, so when it comes up, next thing you're going to do is to click on I'm not a robot. Click on that. All right, so when that is taken care of, then you can now come down here, click on continue to download. All right, so when you download here, you're going to see download anyway. Okay, they're going to tell you it's harmful to your phone and all that, but tell them go ahead. But make sure, like I said, you have antivirus stuff installed in your phone before you do that. So you can see it's downloading right now. Give it time. All right, so guys, you can see now it's done downloading. So what you do is click on open. When it's done, then to install, and then what you're going to do here is install. Click on install. and then you are good to go. It's installing right now, okay, and you are good to go. So this is how you can download a lot of free pro apps. I'm not paying ₦1 for using these apps, okay, and this is how you're going to do that. Then click on open, then you are good to use your phone, to your new app. Welcome to pro apps, okay. We're going to use this as an example, this particular app, okay, TuneMe or whatever, okay. Let's use this as an example. So I downloaded this from Happymodcom. Now, like I told, there are so many other sites, okay, but I'm focusing on Happymod. I don't want us to take much of our time. We'll just focus on it. So I was able to download this, open it, and then you're going to do a video of how you are able to do your mix of your own app, okay. So let's say as you open it, okay, just click on this, click on any of the stuff you want to use. This app is going to help you to turn someone's face to a baby's face, okay, kind of like a cartoon face, okay. So that's what this app is meant for. So let's say we're using this particular one. Click on it, all right, allow it, and then you go to load like this. All right, so what you do is you take your time to go through it, okay. So so you go to your phone and then to your gallery, all right, pick any photo you want to use, okay. So let's say we're using okay, I don't want to use someone else, okay. Let's say I'm using this particular one. Let's use this one, okay. So let's say we're using this one. So what you do is you look at this, you just click on this, okay. So you're going to give it time to get ready. So what have you seen? You can see that the face has changed, right? Did you see that? It has turned to a cartoon face, okay. This wasn't the original face, it has turned to a cartoon face. Now, and that thing can be, you can add plus sign, and then you can animate it, you can add effect, you can add your text, okay, and then you are good to go. Let's say we animate it. Click on animate, all right, click on animate, and then you can decide to animate it by using these bars, okay. You can tap and hold to see original photo, all right. So let's tap and hold. The instructions are there, so just follow it, okay, just follow it, okay. So you hold it, okay. So you can see that. So when you're done, it's going to tell you that, oh, it's been done, it's been changed to the one you want. So you can go through all of this, okay, and then begin to change it. If you want to change another form, you can do that, all of that, okay. Then when you're done, you click on this one to done it, okay. You can apply it, apply animated, all right. All right, so the next you can do is to come down here, add a text to it. Now, do you know you can make a lot of money from using this app, okay? You can use to do photos for your customers, okay? And then you can frame it, and you are good to go. Let's say here, you can just type DrTamK. Whatever you want to add to it, just add it like that, and then okay, so at the end, okay? Just type what you want to type, okay? So something like this. All right, so when you're done, you click on this to done it, okay, to keep the text. Then what you can do is this text that you have gotten, I'm just using this as an example anyway, this text you have gotten, you can decide to work on the text format. Click on the text, okay, then you can decide to work on the text format. You can reduce it, you can increase it, you can position it wherever you want to position it, and then you can edit it, okay. How do you edit it? Click on this one to edit, okay. You can edit it. You can edit the video, the photo, the text if it's not the way you want it. So many other things you can do with this. So when you are done with everything, you click on what this is done, and then you are good to go. All right. See you in the next video.